and we're trying to decide what in the world we need to do. Tonight we've already visited one group. Tonight we're visiting with one more group, actually two more groups tonight, to discuss the track and the turf renovation and where that needs to go. And first, Coach Arden, who do you have?
AstroTurf.
AstroTurf, okay.
Thank you all for letting us come in. My name is George Keene. This is Guy Gilmore. We're both with AstroTurf. Everybody has heard of AstroTurf. Started about 50 years ago and has now evolved into the newer types of infield style turfs. And AstroTurf is still around, still a viable product on hundreds and thousands of fields around the world. And so we're thankful that you allowed us to come in here and talk a little bit about your project, your potential project, and about how AstroTurf might be able to be involved. I'm going to turn it over to Guy so he can...
I want to ask, how long are we allotted tonight?
20 minutes,
20 minutes?
something like that.
Because
Can you do it?
my presentation's, it's usually about an hour, so I'll give you I'll try to the Cliff's notes this
We're not
time.
at that point yet.
I'll see how fast I need to talk.
This right here?
Yeah.
That's it.
Is that yours or? Oh, no, that's mine.
George, would you like?
Yeah, that'd be great.
Yes, sir.
Wow. So let's.
Participatory. And you just need to put it on the slideshow version.
Thank you all for giving us the time tonight. Why AstroTurf? We're the original AstroTurf. We created the industry.